Hi there. In this video, I will be show how to delete the data. This is the same process as I will done it earlier in the category phase, and this is the same process I will be applied in here. So go to our VS Code. Okay. So now update subcategory here. Go to the controller. This is our controller. So better just make it copy. Go to our category and look at the category. I just all of this. Oh, that's my bad. I just keep copy and okay, just paste it. And lots of things is not needed because we have no image here. So category deleted. Better subcategory. Subcategory and not here is will be done for delete and no variable needed. That's okay. Subcategory just put here subcategory. Okay, fine. And go to our index.blade.php. Here index.play.php javascript delete category. You just put subcategory, and here id will be passed fine. Id will be passed fine, and this sorry, admin category, not admin category, admin subcategory delete dot delete category. Here keep class subcategory, and id will be pass, and category id is just place of subcategory id. So better just copy and just paste it here. Yes, revert this, and I think it will be work. So just check for this now, and here just keep your reloader page and just yes, come on, yes category, and it will be removed and successfully subcategory will be deleted. So category will be done, subcategory will be done. Now we will try for the slider functionality. When a slider functionality will be done, then we jump to our front end template initialize implementation. Okay. In the next video we will try the crude operation. It's as same as for our slider purpose. So thank you so much, and let's see for our next video.